Yeah, hi. I'm back, Uh, I'm working today on Toyota Matrix. Customer explaining that they hear a grinding noise every time they step on the brakes. And as I'm driving right now, you guys could hear it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. I'm gonna have to open the window. Hopefully you guys could hear the grinding noise that it makes. You hear that? It sounds like. So today I'm gonna be working on that. Hopefully you guys are able to hear the noise. I'm gonna be working on that. So let's take a look, see what it is. Why it's making that grinding noise, which is not normal. Yeah. Hopefully you guys hear that. Hopefully you guys could hear that noise. I'm driving, still going back home right now. So go take a look at it. I guess the noise goes away. The faster that I drive. It's kind of weird, but I'm definitely gonna have to take out the tire to see what's going on there. There has to be something is grinding against the rotors. Let's see what it's up. There it is. You hear that? Like the grinding noise, like it stops and goes, like something. Well, let's go take a look at it, see if we can fix it. So I found the problem. The sliders, they need grease. See, because every time you step on the brakes, it pushes this bolt right here. It goes in, so into the bracket right here. See, so when you step on the brake, this pushes the brakes, and since they have no grease, it will get, like, when you push it in, it will stay in, So you need to add grease and water for this to go back and forth, slide. See, so all you gotta do is clean it, add more grease on it, and that should fix your problem. Simple. It's not that hard, Take out the tire and just loosen out the bolts right here. Take this one. Got one right here, that one's loose. You can do both of them at the same time. Just don't remove this one, so this one can hold it, and just be able to move this one up and down. Okay? Alright, thank you. Bye bye.